In this module, we are going to talk about global environmental flows. Global environment flows, if you look at this slide, that how this global environment flows making an impact on human society and community. There is industrialization going on, and owing to that industrialization, there is a serious impact on the environment, and it is causing many things. Rainfall happening owing to evaporation from those lake resources, other water resources. Glaciers are melting. There's a snow. So this slide is giving us an explained, I would say, a detailed story about the global environment flows. In the contemporary world, responding to global environmental problems has become deputable as nations have contributed unequally to climate change. The affluent North has contributed more to climate change, whereas the South is victim of higher burdens comparatively. Accretion of greenhouse gases and global warming is threatening to the whole world. As we learned in our previous modules that industrialized world is emitting more carbon dioxide as compared to the developing world, and especially America and China are number 1 and 2 countries respectively in emitting carbon dioxide. And precisely speaking, America emit almost 24% world carbon dioxide in the air, and China emits 14% of the world carbon dioxide in the air. So this is how they are damaging the environment. Although many politicians and corporations claim that global climate change is nothing more than a myth, but it has been authenticated by the scientific community that world is getting warmer, that this warming is caused by human activities. Environment is naturally global in nature. We all share the warmth of same sun, and we are connected by the same oceans. Human activities definitely make a serious impact on the environment. It has nothing to do with any myth, although there are myths. But the thing is, when we are not taking care of cleanliness in our surroundings, definitely it is going to make us ill or sick. So, environment, clean environment make a difference in our lives. Initially, environment was not the focused area of globalization, but gradually in 1980s and 1990s, the environmental movement gained momentum internationally. Number of important environmental issues were highlighted such as climate change and depletion of ozone layer, greenhouse effect. So all were attributing to the environment as a global issue. Global environment problems are globally created, and its consequences will be experienced at global level too. So it's not a problem of any specific country or a specific place. It is a universal problem, and this universal problem is of everyone's problem. What are the effects of this climate change? Human society is experiencing more warm environment, or would say extreme weather in our surroundings. Terrestrial life is being damaged. Our plants and animals are feeling that intensity of the weather. Health issues are happening. There are eye cataracts, that is cancer of eyes, that is happening owing to the depletion of ozone layer. Sea level is rising, that is happening again owing to this climate change. Heat waves are there. So greenhouse effect also contributing in environment issues.